Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammed Sirajul Faisi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about oxidation level of organic compounds. So what is oxidation level? Look at this molecule. Here, zero bonds, two heteroatoms, alkane oxidation level. This carbon attached with this carbon and this carbon and this carbon. So no bond here with the heteroatoms. So we call it zero bonds to heteroatoms. Now look at these molecules. One bond, two heteroatoms, alcohol oxidation level. This carbon attached with oxygens, this carbon attached with oxygens, this carbon attached with nitrogen, this carbon attached with chlorine, this carbon attached with bromine, and this carbon attached with iodine. So one heteroatom attached with the carbon. The functional group alcohols, ethers, amines, and alkyl halides. Now look at these three molecules. Here two bonds to the heteroatoms, aldehyde oxidation level. We called it aldehyde oxidation level. We called it this one alkane oxidation level, alcohol oxidation level. So two bonds to heteroatoms, aldehyde oxidation level. This carbon attached with this oxygen with the two bonds, and this carbon attached with this oxygens with the two bonds. So this is the aldehyde functional group, already know that, and this one is ketone. Now you see this is the acetate, this carbon attached with oxygen and this carbon attached with oxygen. The two bonds, two heteroatoms. So this is the aldehyde oxidation level. Now three bonds, two heteroatoms. This is the carboxylic acid oxidation level. Look at these molecules. This is the carboxylic acid, this is the ester, this is amide, this is nitrile, this is acyl chlorides. So here carbon attached with oxygen through the two double bonds, and this carbon attached with oxygens. So this is the three bond, 1 2 3, and again this carbon attached with the oxygen with these two bonds, and this carbon attached with oxygen with the single bonds. So this single bond, this double bond becomes the three bonds. So here also three bonds, means this is heteroatom, nitrogen is heteroatom, this carbon oxygen is heteroatom, this oxygen heteroatom, and this carbon attached with this nitrogen through triple bonds. So three heteroatoms bond with the three bonds. So this heteroatom attached with this carbon through three bonds. Now you see this heteroatom oxygen, this heteroatom chlorine. So this is the two double bond, this is single double bonds. So three bonds to the heteroatoms. These are called carboxylic acid oxidation level. Now here also you see there is a alkyne and alkene, there is no heteroatom. This is the difference. Now four bonds to heteroatoms, carbon dioxide oxidation level. You see this is a carbon attached with the oxygen through two bonds, this carbon attached with another oxygen with the two bonds. So this is carbon dioxide. Now here diethyl carbonates. So this carbon attached with heteroatom oxygens with two double bonds, this heteroatom single bond, this heteroatom single bond. So 1 2 3 4 diethyl carbonates. Here 1 2 3 4, two fluorine heteroatoms and two chlorine heteroatom. This is the four bond. So important functional group and oxidation level. You see zero bonds to heteroatom, one bond to heteroatom, two bonds to heteroatom, three bonds to heteroatom, and four bonds to heteroatoms. So friends, This is the oxidation of carbon dioxide diethyl carbonate, useful reagent for adding ester groups. This is carbon tetrachloride, also four bonds. This is the four bonds. Here is also four bonds. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.